Hey, it's TJ Fisher with DFS Academy, and let me show you what we're working on in our Patreon. So here's a sneak peek of a track that we're working on. Let's start with the electric guitars. We have our electric guitars going. Let's bring in the strings. Let's bring in the arps. Let's bring in the drum loops. Let's bring in the effects. You know what? Let's bring the whole track in. How about it? 1, 2, 3. And that's just the raw track. We haven't even mixed it or anything. But if you want to get access to this and tips and tools to learn how to do things like this, join the Patreon. I'm TJ Fisher with DFS Academy, and I will see you there.
Trust for success.